Hey guys, I'm here today with a review of Lego's Frozen Christmas tree ornaments. First off, we have Kristoff, Sven, Anna, Elsa, and everybody's favorite snowman, Olaf. Okay, so let's get down to it and look at each figure individually. These were on sale at the Boxing Day sale just at Walmart after Christmas, so I was able to pick up the whole set of them because I do like Frozen quite a bit, and I do have a cosplay of Kristoff, so it is meaningful to me to have these, and I really like them. I'm going to keep them out all year round, so let's just get into them. Okay, so first off, we'll start off with Kristoff. These things are about 3 inches tall, very much likeness to the movie, and the detail is pretty good. I wouldn't say it is spectacular, but it is pretty decent all the same. Now, this is of the Hallmark brand that they sell at Walmart at Christmas time, and they were around $7 each on sale for half price, so that was a pretty decent deal. So that is Kristoff right there. Now we have everybody's favorite reindeer. Yes, he's my favorite reindeer. Well, next to Rudolph, of course. This is Sven with his big hoofs. I just love the size of the clumpy hoofs that he has. And he just looks so darn cute. Yeah. So, he's got like a clumsy butt on him or something. And, you know, the detail in this, these are sort of like a rubbery horn. So, or rubbery antler. So, they have a little bit of flex to them, so that's pretty good. So they won't, well, I couldn't say that they won't break, but they have a little bit more tolerance to breakage. And that's the detail within him. Painting is pretty cool. Look at those eyes. Isn't that something cool? Okay, let's move on to Anna. She has very thin pegs for legs. And they're painted very delicately, and I love the little details in the dress here of reindeer and bells and that around the bottom of her dress. It's really, really cool. And of course, nice purple sash in the middle, and she's holding a little stuffed snowman. Maybe that's like all of them, not sure. But anyway, and then she has like some cranberries or something in her hair and like a flower relief or something there to finish her off. And she has big green eyes. Or blue eyes. Can't really tell from here. It's hard to say. I'm going to say they're green compared to the dress. Now we have Elsa in her sparkling gown. She's holding a ice snowflake right there. She's fairly fair skinned, and she has her blonde hair, and this is like her ice cape, and it does have glitter on it, so it really shimmers, and it is really, really nice. And there's the bottom. It's not hollow. It is solid. It does have some weight to it, which is nice because if you put it down, it just won't fall over. So, yeah, that is really nice. I really like that figure. And then we have Rock and Olive, because he can rock back and forth like so on this base, but he just like doesn't fall down. Well, I suppose he does, but you just gotta be careful with him. And his arms are not so bendable as Sven's antlers, so you gotta be careful of that. Carrot nose is all integrated into his face, so he's got a glittery snow going on for his face, and nice detail on his whole suit. So that is Olaf. So like I said, these guys are a favorite set of ornaments for me, and I will probably keep them out all year round, and just to enjoy them as they are. I think they're cool. I love the movie. I love the characters. It's nice to look at them. Sometimes you have Christmas decorations that you put away, and sometimes you have ones that you want to keep out. Maybe, maybe not. But these ones I want to keep out. So that about sums it up for this video. I'll talk to you guys again in the next video. In the meantime, love and live life to the fullest.